Welcome to RT Home. I am Devender. In this video, I will explain you class 8 maths.
Now you can see here exercise 2.5 question number 10. If your train runs at 40 km per hour, it reaches its destination late by 11 minutes. But if it runs at 50 km per hour, it is late by 5 minutes only. Find the distance to be covered by the train. First of all, if the train runs at 40 km per hour, it reaches its destination only 11 minutes late. Once if the train speed is increases here, which here how much the first speed 40 km. If the second speed is how much here 50 km. That means if the speed increases, the time to take its destination let's here how much only 5 minutes late only. You can take here 5 minutes late. Find the distance to be covered by the train. So that first of all you can take here, let the distance to be covered by train be x only. You can take here, let the distance will be, I am taking here x kilometers. Already they are given first time a train runs at how many kilometers per hour? 40 kilometers per hour. That means I am writing here. Therefore, time taken to cover x kilometers at 40 kilometer per hour. See, what is the time formula? Time is equal distance by speed or not? Yes or no? Distance by speed. Distance is how much here? X kilometers. Speed is how called? Speed is here how much? 40 kilometers. That means you can write here x by 40 hours. That means here first train here speed. If the train runs at 40 kilometer hour, its time taken for here how many kilometers? X kilometers is equal x by 40 hours. See, already they have increased the times of speed of the train. That means you can write here time taken to cover x kilometer for at here how many kilometer, how much speed here 50 kilometers per hour. You can write here at 50 kilometers per hour. Time taken to cover x kilometer at 50 kilometer per hour is, you know that what is the formula? Time is equal speed, distance by speed or not? Distance is equal to how much? X. Speed how much? 50. X by 50 hours. See, already first time if the train runs at 40 km per hour, it's 11 minutes late. Here, if it is 50 km per hour, it's late 5 minutes late. That means you can see both times it is late only or not, so that we can find the difference between the times here. You can write here, but it is given that the difference between two timings here, first time is how much 11 minutes, next time here, next time how many minutes late? Only 5 minutes. You can write here 5 minutes. That means 11 minutes minus 5 minutes, you will get here 6 minutes. Yes or no? But once you can see here time is in the hours, so that you can convert minutes into hours only. How can you convert here? 6 by 60 hours. Yes or no? Just I converted minutes to hours. That means you can divide with 60 only. Now you can see here this timing here. How much you can see here? Therefore, you can write here what is the time difference between two timings? X by 40 minus x by 50. X by 40 minus x by 50 is equal difference between two timings. This is the first timing, this is the second time, is equal to here how much? 6 by 60. Now you can see find the LCM of 40 and 50. What is the LCM of 40 and 50? You can see directly 4 5 how much? 20. That means you can write here 200 is your LCM. That means 41 ja 40, 45 ja, that means 4 5 ja 20 or not? That means you can take here 45 ja 200. You can write here 5 into x minus 54 ja 5 4 ja how much? 20. That means you can take here 54 ja, that means 4 into x. You can write here 4x is equal, if it is possible you can simplify here 6 1 ja 6, 6 10 ja 60. That means you can write here 1 by 10. That means you can write here implies 5x minus 4x is equal to how much? X only by 200 is equal to 1 by 10. Now you can transpose 200 to RHS. That means you can write here x is equal to 1 by 10 into 200. That means here 10 1 ja 10 2 ja 20. You can write here 20 times. That means you can write here x is equal 20. That means here x is which is one here. X means here distance. That means you can write here 20 kilometers. The distance you can write here, the distance to be covered by the train is equal to how much? 20 kilometers. Therefore you can write here the distance to be covered by the train is equals 20 kilometers. This is your answer. Now you can see here question number 11. 1/4 of a herd of deer has gone to the forest. 1/3 of the total number is grazing in a field, and remaining 15 are drinking water on the bank of river. Find the total number of deer. We don't know the total number of deer, so that I am taking here. First of all, let the total number of deers be, I am here x only I am taking here. We don't know that, so that I am taking here. Let the total number of deers be here x only. In that x, once you can see here, 1/4 of a herd of deer has gone to the forest. 1/4 of the total deers. 1/4 of the total deers went to where? Here forest. So that I am writing here, given that number of deers gone to the forest is 1/4. That means 1/4 into x. 1/4 into x means, can I write here x by 4 or not? X into 1 x only. You can write here x by 4. That means x by 4 deers gone to the forest. Next you can see 1/3 of the total number of deers is grazing in a field. 1/3. That means you can write here number of deers grazing in the field is 1/3. That means you can write here 1/3 into total number of deers is how much? X. 1/3 into x means you can write here x by 3. Yes or no? X by 3. And also they mentioned here remaining 15 are drinking water. That means you can write here remaining deers here. You can write here how many? 15. If you want, you can write here number of deers drinking water is equal to how many? 15. But you can consider the given total number of deers is here how much? X only. As per the given data, just you can add these all the three categories. That means you can write here x by 4 plus x by 3 plus 15 is equal to total number of deers. Yes or no? In the total x only, 1/4 of deers are gone to the forest, 1/3 are grazing in the field, 15 are drinking water. Now you can simplify it. You can write here, you can transpose 15 to RHS. That means here 15 is a constant term. You can transpose x to LHS. That means I am writing here x by 4 plus x by 3 minus x is equal to 15. See, if it is plus 15, if I am transposing 15 to RHS, it will become minus or not? Yes, so that you can write here minus 15. Now you can simplify here, very easy. 4 and 3, what is the LCM of 4 and 3? 12. You can write here 12 here. That means here x means here x by 1 is available. Yes or no? Yes. So that you can see here 4 3 is 12. That means you can divide the LCM with denominator. With the quotient you can multiply the numerator. That means here 4 3 is 12. 3 into x, 3x. Plus 3 4 is 12. That means 4 into x, 4x. Here 1 12 is 12. That means 12 into x, 12x. That means minus 12x is equal to minus 15. Implies you can write it 3 plus 4 is how much? 7. 7 minus 12 is how much? Minus 5. Minus 5x by 12 is equal to minus 15. Now you can transpose 12 to RHS. That means you can write here minus 5x is equal to minus 15 into 12. Why? Because 12 is doing on the left hand side. Divisions. If I am transposing to RHS, it will become multiplication. Here you can cancel minus minus automatically. See, in the next step you can transpose 5 to RHS. That means you can write here x is equal to 15 into 12 by 5. See, 5 1 ja 5, 5 3 ja 15. That means you can write here implies x is equal to 3 12 ja how much? 36. Yes or no? That means total number of dates. If they are asking find the total number of dates, you can write it. Therefore, the total number of deer, the total number of deer is equals 36. Your 36 is your answer. Now you can see here question number 12. By selling a radio for rupees 903, a shopkeeper gains 5%. Find the cost price of the radio. Find the cost price of the radio. So that I am taking here, let the cost price of the radio be rupees X. I am taking here rupees X. See here, by selling a radio for rupees 903, that means your selling price of radio is equal to how much? 903 rupees. A shopkeeper gains 5%. A shopkeeper gains, that means it is a profit. Profit is equal to how much? 5%. You can see here, a shopkeeper gains 5%. That means profit is equal 5%. You know that profit will be calculated on cost price. That means you can write here 5% means 5 by 100 into cost price. Here cost price is how much? X only. That means you can simplify here 5 1 is 5, 5 2 is 10. Here you will get 20. That means here 1 into X. Here X only by 20. X by 20 you can write here rupees. Rupees X by 20 is the profit. Cost price is X. Already they given selling price of radio is equal to how much? Rupees 903. Yes or no? Yes. Already we know that what is selling price? We know that cost price plus profit. Cost price plus profit is equal selling price. Yes or no? We have another formula also. Cost price minus loss is equal selling price. Cost price plus profit is equal selling price. Here they have given in the question profit. So that I am used here this formula. You know that see cost price here X only. Profit is equal to how much? X by 20. X by 20 is equal. Selling price is how much? 903. Now you can simplify this one. See here 20 into X. That means here X means here X by 1. 1 and 20 LCM is 20 only. You know that see. 20 into X. 20X plus X into 1. X only is equal to 903. Implies you can write here 20 plus 1x. 21x. 21x by 20 is equal to 903. You can transpose 20 to RHS. That means you can write here 21x is equal to 903 into 20. After that you can transpose 21 to RHS. That means you can write here x is equal to 903 into 20 by here 21. Is it possible? You can simplify it. You can see here 3 7 ja 21. 3 3 ja 9 only. You can write here 0. 3 1 ja 3. Is there any possibility? You can simplify here. See 7 1 ja 7. 7 4 ja how much? 28. Remainder is 21. That means 7 3 ja how much? 21. That means 43. That means you can write here x is equal 43 into 20. That means you can write 0 directly. 2 3 ja 6 only. 2 4 ja how much? 8 only. That means x is equal to 860. That means x means what is that here? Rupees. That means here cost price. You can write here. Therefore, cost price of a radio is equal to rupees 860 rupees. This is your solution.
Thank you for watching this video. You can watch the complete exercise videos in our Class 8 playlist.